You know, who doesn't need more than one source of money these days? Therefore, click this button and copy this link to get paid $300 instantly. There's no need to sell anything, and you don't even need thousands or millions of followers to get started. This is a perfectly efficient and cost-free method that requires no investment or withdrawal of cash. In this video, I'll show you step by step on how to set up for a free account and make your first $100 quickly after watching it. Before we go further to this video, if it is your first time in the channel, welcome to the Daily Dollars channel. Where I will teach you methods and strategies on how to make money online. Before we go to our video, make sure to subscribe to the channel, smash the like button, and click the notification bell to be notified whenever we upload a new video. And don't forget to leave a comment down below. Without further ado, let's just get right into the video. To begin, the website that I'll be showing you today is called digistore24.com. But before you go there, keep watching because you don't want to miss anything. The truth is that once you've signed up for a free account, you'll be able to access their marketplace and find various offers and products that you can promote with just one click. When you click on promote, you can simply copy your affiliate links and then share them all over the internet or through your social media accounts. When people click on your link and buy products from the website, you will earn a high commission rate and there is no need to wait because you'll be paid on time and you can do this over and over again. I'll show you how to sign up and remember that registration is completely free. You won't have to pay a penny. When you go to the website, you'll be asked to fill out a lot of information, but don't worry, it's not as difficult as you might think. The method that I'll be showing you is undeniably unique. It requires no experience or skills, and you can earn up to $500. Now, log into your Digistore24 account and click on the marketplace link at the top of the page. This will take you to a page where you can find hundreds of different products that you can promote with a high commission rating, such as this Medicore, where you can earn 85 commission and on average make around $132.32. And you can also get more information about this product. You can continue by displaying hundreds if not thousands of products on this website. You may promote whatever you want and commissions are quite high. Now, I'll show you the first bonus step that will help you maximize your earnings. So make sure to stay and watching this video as I go over this first bonus tip. But before we continue, make sure to hit the subscribe button down below if you aren't subscribed yet and click the notification bell beside it to be notified every time we upload a brand new video and to be the first ones to know a million more ways to make money online. Don't forget to smash the like button and leave your comments down below to show your support and tell us what you think. Now, I want you to click on this marketplace button and then click on this down arrow, and as you can see, it is sorted by sales rank by default. Now, I want you to change it to sort it by earnings or sales, and all you have to do is click on that and you'll see that Digistore24 will automatically filter all the results and show your products with high commissions that you can promote. For example, this product named African Lean Belly will pay you 85 commissions and the average earnings are $114.47. So, if you make double or triple sales in a day, you could be making at least $500. This is exactly what I want to show you in this tutorial video. Go to Digistore24 homepage and click on this blue button right here that says register now to sign up for free, and that will take you to this page. As you can see, now on the first section, sign up, make sure to choose this category because you are an affiliate and because we are here to make commissions online. So right here, you can just put any store name you want and they'll automatically help you to generate your unique affiliate links. After that, you can use your unique affiliate links to promote any products on this website and you could be making commissions in an instant. As we progress, all you have to do is enter your email address, create a password, and select your time zone. Don't worry, they're all available from anywhere in the world. So, after you've chosen your country and time zone, you simply have to fill out your personal information, and when you're moving down, you simply have to fill out your personal information and agree to the terms and conditions. Once you've finished setting up your account, click the Promote Now button, and you should be able to automatically generate your promo link, which you can see here. Now people can click on this link, and if they make a purchase, you can easily earn a 50 commission or more, depending on the product that you're promoting now. I'll show you how to promote it for free by going to reddit.com, which is a website where people discuss a variety of topics and post questions, videos, and photos of anything. All you have to do now is go to the search bar and type specific keywords so you can easily find your targeted people to promote your affiliate link. For a product like Medicore, you can promote this product by typing the keyword weight loss or something related to it into the search box and clicking the search button, which will then take you to this page and show you all the search results. From there, you can scroll down and look for the different posts that people are looking for, such as how do I lose weight effectively or how can I maintain healthy joints? Now, what you'll do is offer them free value and give them lists and tips on how to effectively lose weight now. Now, what you'll do is give them free tips or answers, as it will help you get a lot of traffic. And here's how we'll get our commissions and money. This is the technique where you'll plug a link, and what you'll do is copy and paste your affiliate links in this column and do it over and over again. Now, after I show them every weight loss tip, I'll show them the link at the end, and people will undoubtedly click on it, and if they make a purchase, you'll be able to score another $100. Imagine if you get more sales in a day. You can also repeat and do this strategy as many times as you want to promote as many products as you want. And that is it for today's video. If you haven't already, make sure that you leave a like down below to express your appreciation and support for this video. Also, hit the subscribe button down below to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to click the notification bell next to it so you'll be the first ones to know whenever a new video is out on how to make extra money online using a variety of different methods. Big thanks to everyone who tuned in, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.